After wala kayo'y kanalaang.
Wala ka tayo.
Oo. Kana walay kay balo, sila pa tong grabe mo grabe mo kabulala, di ba? Compared to those mutasa mga professionals, ana dami kay balo, mga wise man, di ba? Kahilom ra ba? Siguro maminaw. Mo ba? Ana ra. Okay, continue.
Philosophy, from the Greek word philo means love and sophia means wisdom, or the love of wisdom. A system of principle belief about reality and the nature of things. An integrated view of the world that includes an understanding of the nature of existence, human nature, and our role in the world. In the world. Integrated understanding of the nature of existence.
Nature of existence. So, tama na itong giingon ni sir nga kung ngano nilingkod ka anang nga bangko nga na have you ever asked ba nga masaligan na siya nga bangko? So, unsa yung purpose nga nung nilingkod ka dira? And then the human nature and then kung unsa atong role diri sa kalibutan. What is our reliability? And then what does it mean to be human? What is our essence? Is this purpose given to us by God? Is there even a God? So we ask ourselves this because we want to find meaning. So, kaning mga pangutana, ila pangutana ni sa ato ang kaugalingon because kanang tungod sa atong curiosity nga gusto nato nga hibal-an mo unsay meaning ana. So meaning gives our life value. What makes our life meaningful is what makes it worth living. So kung meaningful atong kinabuhi, is worth it gid siya nga mabuhi ta diri sa kalibutan.
Okay, philosophy helps us um, knowing things or the existence of the things through asking questions. Okay, philosophical questions. Meaning philosophy guides us to to have these ideas or knowledge from nature or from the environment through questioning.
Which allow you why philosophy, which allow you to justify your opinion, spot about argument no matter what the topic, explain to people why they are wrong and you are right. Philosophy basically teaches you to think, justify your thought, justify your opinion or thoughts. So as a philosopher or as a human being, as a learner, that you question about that thing, specific thing, you ask yourself, unsay purpose good ani, unsay reason good ani. So by justify the by
because nowadays we're trying to give emphasis on the kuan nga entity, no? The imperfect and impermanent entity. Okay, di ba? Mga itong lang taon karon, no? We give emphasis on our body, our physical self. Unya, nalimtan na to, no? The essence of the human person or the self is our soul.
Soul.
Okay?
Human
Yan, nalimtan na to ng immortality or the perfect and permanent no, aspect of the human person. That is why, kung ito ng tao, no, ano ng mga tao, or kita, no, guwapa kayo sa pero pati butasan, nana. Because we forgot now to develop, we forgot to cleanse or put emphasis on the essence of the human person, which is the soul. No, we give too much emphasis pagwapa, pagwapo, no, so tumindot nga. So, but kung ito lang tao, no, kanini ang dili siya importante siya pero dili kayo siya important in terms of developing yourself or the essence of the person. Okay? See?
Plato is
Plato.
Plato is also philosophy. The three components of the soul: rational soul, vision, and mental to govern will. Spirited soul: emotions should be love and play. Appetited soul: bliss and desire, food, drink, sleep, sexual needs, and etc. When these are attained, human person soul becomes just and virtuous.
Okay, giving the ano the phrase, and these are attained, the human person's souls become just and virtuous. Okay. The question is, why do why is it very important no, to balance the three components of the soul according to Plato?
Ah. There sa philosophical ni Plato, naitulog ka soul or component na soul, which is rational soul, spirited soul, and appetitive soul. Si rational soul is the one who govern affair or siya mo'y nagpatunga sa spirit o ang appetitive. Ang spirit mo nga sa imuha nga, o ang soul mo, spirited soul mo ingon sa imuha nga, kay ang kanina mo kapito, nag-connect ka mo isa sa kanang separate within a body, the soul. While ang kaning kakuan, nagkuan sa tres component of the soul, which is ang spirit of the soul daw kay emotion, mga emotion na to ba, mingon atong emotion nga dili ko mukaon kung mapagutom ko kay daw naman ayo ko. While si appetitive soul, mingon na po siya nga kaon daghan. Ayun undang kaon daghan. Mao ang trabaho ni rational soul is to govern or to balance. Siya ang rational soul ay mo balance sa duha so that the man is can provide sana kanang maka una-una siya og sakto ba.
Mabalance niya ang iyahang panghuna-una.
Oh.
Okay? No, the question, why is it important to balance? Dapat po diha, no? This is very important to balance the soul. Balik ganit. It's very important to balance the three components of the soul to attain, no,
The human person's
the human person's soul, no, so that the human person's soul becomes just and virtuous. Okay, meaning if rational soul, no, balance the needs of spirited soul and appetitive soul, okay, mahimo siyang just and virtuous. Okay, iyang mabalance ba nga kanini ang dili lang po preventing nga moingon na mo decline pud ta sa ato ang need no sa body or sa wants. Di pod permente nga mo pasulabi po ka sa imong wants. Okay? Meaning there will be a balance between the needs. Okay? Meaning si rational soul may mutimbang sa reasons no between spirited soul and appetitive soul so that no, we can attain as human being we can attain no this just and virtuous soul. Okay, mo man na importante to have a good life or kanini ang goal to achieve happiness. Okay, proceed.
Saint Augustine, Spirit of Man in Medieval Philosophy. Following view of Plato but adds Christianity. So, si Saint Augustine kay nag-follow ra gyapon siya sa view or sa theory ni
creation or bifurcated, yes.
Mm.
Um, nature of the human being, kato, body and soul. Okay? But, no, kang St. Augustine, part of our, or part of the man, okay, for example, our body, dwells in the world. Okay? Because our body is subject to reality. Okay, but part of us, as human being, yearns for the so-called divinity. That is why, no, we have to follow, ganit bitang Jesus teaching, mamanaging ko ni St. Agustina, we should follow the teaching of Jesus Christ, kanang do good, neglecting bad, no, so that our soul, no, will experience this so-called spiritual bliss with God. Okay? Murabag, God made us, and after that, we will go back to our Creator. Pero ganala ba? Although, our body, no, kay di kamatay to, our body magpabilin because our body is subject to the world. Meaning, kung mamatay ta, no, mapabilin yun siya, malata. Okay, but our soul will, no, kanini ang subject for divine or transcendent or divinity. Okay, that is why, no, he follows the idea of Plato. We have to balance the soul. Okay, para, no, mahimot ang just, mahimot ang virtuous. Kung say just, kanang matarong. Okay, virtuous, no, uh, kanini ang di, maglisod ka og himog sala because you know what is right and wrong, di ba? Kana ba gikuy-an nimo nga mahimong matarong. Okay? So muna ang kang St. Augustine nga mura ba og ultimate goal is to experience this spiritual bliss. Okay? Continue.
Oh, do you believe in the concept the soul coming to heaven after death?
To mo na.
Yes.
Do you think there is heaven? Do you
Yes.
believe in heaven?
Yes.
Do you experience heaven?
No.
No.
No. Okay na. Bato nang ma-discuss later.
What
Um,
makes what make us people different from animals?
Okay na. What makes us different from other animals?
oh,
Na-discuss na
katong
karon kang Saint Thomas.
scientific.
Ako
Ah,
na kasi ito.
sige, St. Thomas, proceed. Kasi Thomas man ang opening question.
By Saint philosopher Saint Thomas Aquinas said, man, matter plus form. Sumuli, mo lang. The body of the human is similar to the animal object, but what make a human is his essence. Or giunsa ang tawo nga mas taas sa hayop. Like giingon ni sir nga tong niaging meeting nga unsa gyud nakalabaw sa tawo sa hayop, which means ang tawo kabalo mo reason out, kabalo mo question why is that happening, or unsa gyud kuan gyud ani nga kailangan pa gyud na siya nga pwede naman dili na, while ang animal dili siya ka argue, dili siya ka reason out nato nga ato siya budalan, dili siya ka kuan, which is manungag ra siya ato suguon. Ang animal man pod is like ano na mura siya slavery bitaw, kung unsay madlo nato mutuman ang hayop, dili siya ka-argue sa iyang amo, which mean nga kita nga amo ang hayop dili ka-argue, while kita ibutang nato nakatrabaho ta, mo-argue ta sa maka-argue ta sa tuang boss or sa tuang amo. Mo nay nakalahi sa human nga ang human kabalo mo reason out or ask question. But still si sana Thomas Aquinas is nakakuan tuog gyapon siya sa matter and form, which is the body and the soul gyapon na siya.
Kay St. Thomas Aquinas is the same as kanini ang Rivera sila ni St. Augustine.
Mm.
Okay, they are pillars and doctors of the Church, Catholic Church. Okay? So, man equals matter and form. Okay? The same ra na, yes,
Body
it
and
is
soul.
very the same as body. Okay, matter, sa science man sa matter, something that can occupy space and has mass. Okay, our body.
Body na.
Okay, form or morphe is the essence of the substance or the thing, what makes it what it is, our soul. Okay? Our soul is the essence of the human person because si soul is composed of our internal characteristics, behavior, the way we think, personality. Okay? Si body, siya may, no? Kung unsay man do ni soul, muak si body, meaning, no? Siya may mo to have physical manifestation of our internal characteristic, our essence. Murabag siya may doers ba? Siya tigbuhat. Pero ang tigmando is our soul or our Okay? See?
Modern philosophy.
Modern philosophy.
Mm.
Rene Descartes, father of modern
Rene Descartes
philosophy.
na.
Rene Descartes.
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 Rene Descartes.
Descartes. Rene Descartes, father of modern philosophy. Human person, body plus mind. There is so much that we should doubt. If something is so clear and lucid, lucid as not be doubted, that's the only time one should do. The only things I can doubt is existence of the self.
So, si Rene Descartes kay ang iyang philosophy mindset or philosophy theory, sorry, theory matawag na siya theory is human person is equal to body and mind, which is ang ato ang kaugalingon o ato ang paguna-una o unsaon nato pagsabot sa uban, pagsabot sa butang, pagsabot sa ubang tawo through kuan na siya. Oh, kana ba kuan oh. Si Rene Descartes man gud kay wala medyo wala gid siya ning kuan sa katong niagi kay atong soul body plus soul. Iya ha kay body plus mind by truth kuan daw by truth doubting daw makagain daw ta og sana more knowledge.
In sa modern philosophy, ka Rene Descartes, no, human person, still the bifurcation of the human body. But, ang iya ha, since modern, wala na siya ning, iya nag-reject ang soul.
Soul.
Ang mind na iyang gikuan. Pero,
Focus.
ngayon mo lang tawon, di ba? What's the components of the mind?
Soul.
Di ba? Naa diha ang imong nga learn o internal gihapon
Knowledge na.
iyang characteristic, your knowledge, okay, your ideas, okay? Si Rene Descartes lang, no? According to him, there is so much that we should doubt. By doubting, no, we can, probag, if gadoubt ka na nga butang, meaning,
Maka-learn
you are trying to,
learn
kana bang
yourself.
learn, or you are trying to, shall we say, kana bitong, bitong, discover, okay, the real existence of that thing. Okay, why? Diba? Kung mag-doubt ka, sa imong buhaton, you have to observe.
Research.
Diba? You have to research. Okay, that is why, no? If something is so clear and lucid as not to be doubted, that is the only time one should believe. Okay? And that is self. The only thing that we could doubt is ourself. Okay? Why? Because ato naman guning i-process sa self through questioning, through doubting. Okay, ka-doubt ka sa ano ba gid ko? Okay? And by that, di ba, nanikamot ka, okay, examine sa mong kagalingon, understand sa mong kagalingon. That is why, no, at the end, you can believe that ourself exists. Okay? According to Rene Descartes, the cogito ergo sum, or the cogito is the entity, thinking entity, and the ergo, no, or the extension of the body. Okay? So, according to Rene Descartes, no, kung mag-doubt, the moment we are doubting, we think. Okay? The moment we are doubting, we are thinking. The moment we are thinking, the person exists. Okay, why? Because our mind, no, processes. Our mind processing the existence bitaw na kanang mga buang dia. Yes, physically they exist. But mentally they are not because their mind no wala saktong pagka-process, no? Wala not functioning ba? Okay? See?
Do you agree with the statements about the self, body and soul? So what seems to be questionable in their conjectures? David Hume disagrees with all the other aforementioned philosophers. One can only know what comes from the senses and experiences. The self is not an entity beyond the physical body. You know that other people are humans not because you have seen their soul, but because you see them, hear them, feel them. So, si David Hume kay um, disagree siya sa mga na-mention sa mga philosophers. So, para sa iya is senses and experiences mo ang iyahang theory. So, the self is not an entity beyond the physical body.
Ah, sige kamay ha.
Si David Hume iyang philosophical kuan theory is wala siya katuo og kuan nga makita gyud imong true unsa gyud ka nga person by sa pagsabot sa body ug ang soul. Why iya nagkuan siya nga truth experience kay ah, naka-search ko sa YouTube ba to nga ana si bisa ko to kang David Hume nga ang bata daw patay daw siya patay pa daw paggawas daw sa bata isipon pa daw na siya nga mura daw siya og walay bilin diri sa kalibutan while ang bata nga naglako through experiences through senses sa panayang ingon nila kadaghan etc. Murag ko niya through experience ang usa ka bata mudahon na siya mahimo na siya og isa ka man
Okay.
through experience.
Kang David Hume, the philosophical idea of David Hume about the self, according to him, no, he disagrees the bifurcated nature of the human being. Okay, why? Because according to him, no, one can only know what comes from the senses and experience. Yes, ito. Ang bata, no, pareha sa idea ni John Locke. Ang bata, pag panganak, wala. They are empty. Okay? Because of our experience, sense experience, meaning, na-experience na to through our senses. Nahibaw-an na to nga, kani siya init. Okay? Ang kalayo, nahibaw-an na to nga makapasok because we experience. Okay? Nahibaw ta nga, ang kalayo init because we experience nga napasok ta. Okay? Because we experience it through our senses. Meaning, those wa nato na experience, they are just an idea. Okay? Meaning, those things nga wala nato na experience, they are just an idea. Meaning, di lang ta makaingon nga kanini ang idea to siya kung ato siyang ma-experience physically through our senses. Okay? Hear, taste, di man ta kaingon sa food nga, di man ta ka-identify sa food kung lami gina siya, kung di nato tilawan, di ba? Kung mingon ta, lami na kayo, pero idea na nato siya. Idea na nato nga moingon ta nga lami na siya. Okay, for example, wala pa kaatong Jollibee. Because gipag istorya sa mga tao, mingon ko nga, lami bitaw na siya, pero it is just an idea. Wala pa gyud na nimo gitas or dili pa gyud na siya ingon nga kaninyang wala gyud na siya gi-exist, okay? Wala na siya gi-exist sa imuha because you did not experience that on hand based on your senses. Meaning, yung ka, lami bitaw Jollibee, pero it is just an idea of yours. Wala pa nag-exist sa imuha. Okay, nakuha? Okay, proceed. Impression and idea. So, meaning, kung na-experience mo siya, it is your impression. Nga mayon ka nga, lami gid ay. Okay? But, if it is just a copy, no? Nga sa uban lang nga impressions or sa uban lang nga experience, it is just an idea. Not as real, kung ingon ko kaniya, nga ga-exist gid sa imuha as impressions. Okay? It is just your feeling, your intuition. Pero pag unang-una lang nimo ba nga, lami bitaw no? Ano na ba? Lami jud. Pero ano mo na experience? Pero gikuha lang nimo based sa commercial nga nakita, sa istorya sa mga tao, nana wala gini mo na. So meaning those ideas nga imong na-experience, they are called impressions. Form the core of your thoughts. Meaning exist yun siya, authentic yun nga imuhang knowledge, okay, thought, okay, idea, or kanina, yes, knowledge, okay, or intellect, okay. But kung wala naman experience, they are just mere idea. Okay, brag feeling ra nimo, guni-guni ra na nimo, wa gay na siya exist sa imuhang kaugalingon because wala pa na nimo na experience, okay?
Emmanuel
Okay, Manuel ka.
Immanuel Kant agree with Hume that everything starts with the perception sensation of the impression. There is a mind that regulates this impression. Time, space, etc. are ideas that one cannot find in the world but is built in our mind. Apparatus of mind. Uh, Immanuel Kant, he believed that human can never know things as they are themselves, but only as they appear to us. So like giingon ni Sir ganina, kung sa ato arang nadungog na sa ato arang nadungog nila nga wala gyud nato bitaw na experience sa base po niyang ingon ri, he believed that human can never know things as they are themselves but only as they appear to us. So by experiencing the kuan sa to or the things or pareningon na naka-experience ka nakakaon og lami, so makakuan ta sa to ang makakuan ta sa to ang una-una sa tong impression nga uy kani sakto yun lami gyud dayon o dili ka wala ka gatumong-tumong bitaw nga uy kana lami gyud kay na siya kay base na sa nadungog nimo kapag niyo ni sir nadungog nimo nga lami kay siya lami kay sa dibig utangan og rabies gusto nimo katong alaanan ba yun wala pa day ka na experience so napabilin na siya nga kuan siya murag ideas ra nimo ba nga uy lami kay siya wala pero wala pa na siya na nabuhat nimo kana nga butang kanat pa wala pa sa kanat file sa imong experiences
Okay, kung ato bitaw i-compare na sila sa ancient philosophers about sa self, di ba? Kung ato ng taon, si soul, okay, or si body, di ba, bifurcation. Si soul, naa na daan. Okay, naa na daan. Okay, then atong gi-develop. Okay, pero bag buutan na kadaan. Kunya, because of your experience, nahimo kang nakakaton ka og himo og di maayo. But sa ilang Immanuel Kant, no? Di video, pagpanganak nimo, dili ka buutan, dili po ka kanini ang badlungon. Okay? Because of your experience, nahimo kang buutan or nahimo kang badlungon. Okay? Meaning, there is this mind that governs or regulates our impressions. Meaning, si mind naadaan, shining process, shining regulates sa atong experience. And, iyang pilian ba? Ani maayo ni para sa kuha. Okay. Mo ni ako i-input sa kusa. Okay, kanini maayo ni ako i-input. Gumana ba? Because of our experience, naka-learn ka. Okay? But experience mo na alone, no? It will not gain knowledge. But because we have our mind that regulates our impressions, muna, we have self-knowledge, okay? Natay thoughts, nakakatunta, na-develop ang ato ang self. Okay? Time natin. Sige daw, next daw. 6:58. 6:58. Sige.
Gilbert Ryle
The next internal, non-physical self, or truly matters in the behavior that a person manifests in his day-to-day life.
so si Gilbert Ryle same ra gyapon siya sa nila Thomas o ni Immanuel Kant nga by day life nato through experience makaginta og mga butang nga maayo day o dili day ni maayo by experience taga-adlaw nato nga experience nga kung unsa ato nadak-an pag interact nato sa ato ang kuan nato pag interact nato sa atong pamilya atong mga mama papa interact interact by day ana makaginta og knowledge sa kumbaday katong mama inimbahon so Di ba niya na kita pod kay nasigit ang uban-uban nila kanang experience nila kay madala na to na bali ma-self use na to na.
Sa imong behavior.
Mm. Sa
Okay, si
tuwa sa
Gilbert while
experience.
he denies the internal or non-physical self. Okay? Meaning, siya, what truly matters is our behavior. Kaya bang experiential behavior ba? Okay, before ta makaingon sa tao nga maayo siya, okay, nindot ang iyahang batasan kung ma-experience ato siya, okay, in his day-to-day or by our day-to-day nga experiences. Okay, meaning, ang iyahang behavioral manifestation sa iyang adlaw-adlaw. Okay, meaning, di ka makaingon nga, butana niya, nana. Kung di mo siya ma-experience every day, kung wala niya, dili consistent ang iyang behavioral manifestation every day. Okay, meaning, what truly matters is our behavior nga itong ginapakita every day. Okay? So, kana, kung butan ka, so, buhat kag maayo. Okay, in your, kanini ang behaviors, imong action. Kung dili ka butan, wala mo na imong behavioral manifestation. Sige kag pangaway, sige kag pambuli. Okay? See?
The self is not a entity. One can locate and analyze the supply and maintain that yields the refers to the behaviors that we make.
Yes, refer gid siya kung sa atong behaviors nga gipakita or atong gibuhat dira. Gipakita diri sa kalibutan.
Okay, di ba? Anak ko silang kung ano, anak si Rene Descartes. Okay? Man is an entity. An entity that thinks. Reject na siya ni Gilbert Ryle. Actually, dili man ta entity. Nga, kanini ang one can locate and analyze, no? Kanini ang as a whole. Okay? We are whole, no? In terms of our behavioral manifestation. Meaning, you can judge a person, you can know a person, kung kinsa siya, based on his or her behavioral manifestation kada adlaw. Okay? Kuha? So, kaya ngunta nga, mo din siya di ay. Kaya mo din na siya because nakita na to yung behavioral manifestation. Okay, proceed. Ay, barlo punti na kita. Ano na tayo?
Mario Conde. A phenomenologist who says the mind-body bifurcation is an embodied problem. Mind and body are inseparable. One's body is his opening toward his existence to the world. The living body, his thought, emotion, and experience are all alone.
One.
Are all one type.
Yes.
So, si Mario Conde daw, nagkuhan siya, ang ato daw body o kato ang pagkuna-una or ato ang thoughts is isa ra. Dili ta sa giingon ni ganina sa atong classmate nga si Raymond nga ang tawo daw patay daw wala daw thoughts. So ang tawo need gyud og thoughts kay para isip siya nga usa siya ka human being kay nakauna-una man siya nasay maka-react sa siyang emotion, maka-experience siya, maka-gain siya knowledge through questioning. Ah, pareha karon no, example ani karon nga nag-discuss mi karon while kamo nag-listen mo dra. Kung wala mo nag-listen ana, sa ato pa
Actually, no, sa kang Marlo Ponte, pero iyang gitundukan ba ang debate between the bifurcated nature of the body? Okay? Diba? First ancient philosophers, no nga, ang man, gidivide na siya. Duha gid na siya entity, body and soul. Buwag na sila. Okay? Pag-abot sa mga kanini ang modern philosophers, iwala na lang bifurcated nature. Pero wala po sila giingon nga si body o si mind. Okay? Ilang gibasihan isang experience. Okay? Kang Marlo Ponte, iyang giingon nga, si body and soul, dili na to sila pwede bulagon. They go hand in hand because body is subject from the reality. Without the body, di ta kahibalo because di mo ta experience, di ba? Unya, kung wala po si mind, di po ta kahibalo. Kaya unsa pag-regulate, unsa pag-process sa atong na-experience nga si body di man siya ka process. Si mind man mo process, meaning they are intertwined, di sila pwede bulagon. Kaysa man sa ingon, kung bulagon sila, mamatay. Kung mamatay ang tao, wala. It stops, di ba? sa self develops across the period of our existence. Meaning, kung buhay ta, it continue developing. Kung mamatay ta, must stop. So meaning, sa body and soul nga bifurcation, di sila bulagon. Okay, usahan siya para continuous ang journey or continuous ang development ni self. Because the living body, his thoughts, his emotion, and our experience are all one. Body helps the mind to experience the reality, the existence, and mind helps the body regulates what the body experiences from the reality or from the environment. Okay, that is why they go hand in hand. Okay? So, wala siya. Okay, proceed.
So, if you hate this subject, Malipunti, understand you.
Oh, yes.
So, nakasabot ko siya.
Oh, if we hate the subject, yes. Merleau-Ponty understands you because our body experiences it and our mind processes it. So that is why, no, kung nalistan taan yes.
Si Malipunti, nakasabot ko siya.
Nakasabot siya nato.
May pa si Malipunti, nakasabot.
Because body and soul goes hand in hand. Do you have any questions? May question niyo na nalibkan ninyo sa philosophy. Ang philosophy mo good. Actually, philosophy is very helpful because in your presentation, it is the fundamental or principal no kanini ang in gaining ideas through questioning. That is why, because of philosophy, we can justify how reliable the idea is. Kung tinuod bag siya di, kay question na nato na, sure ka? Exist mo na? But ka. So meaning, ang katong imong kasturya, iya gid nga elaborate. Oy, di tinuod kini na experience ko ni ganiha. 4 AM unani unana. Okay? So, unana siya. That is why we can justify the idea, we can identify bad or kaninang good na arguments. Okay? We can explain, okay, that idea. So, yun na ba? Because of philosophy, we learn and we develop how we think critically. Okay, di ba? Sa philosophy, balibaliw na kayo. Question na kayo. Okay? So, yun na. Questions? Okay, for those nasa online now, you can question by next meeting face to face. Okay? Thank you, reporter, and let's give no virtual clap to our reporter. Okay? Thank you. Prepare na dahil ang sociological perspective no, of the South up to the Eastern perspective. Okay? Thank you very much, and
Thank you, sir.
okay, Mr. Place Wednesday.